beats.
Hey guys, so Walmart has done it again. So right now I want to jump into the top Walmart finds right before Christmas gets here. Okay, so I know there's a lot of parents out there, a lot of aunts, uncles, family members, friends, whatever. You have no idea what you're going to buy for this kid or this preteen or whatever. If you're looking for really low price toys and you're really in a crunch and stuff like that, and your budget ain't budgeting because you know rent is due around the corner, okay? You feel me? Now, I want to jump into the one of the toys right here. So we have, it's a Best Choice Products 19-inch flash guitar pretend play musical instrument for toddlers. So if you have any little ones, this is actually ideal for you. So it was about $50. Walmart has done us a huge favor, you guys. Guess what? It's under $20. $15.99, okay? So this here, it comes in a variety of colors. So whether you have a boy, girl, or whatever, they have pink, they have blue, royal blue, and royal blue looks pretty good too. The pink looks cute. They have navy, and they also have a classic color of black, okay? So this here is a battery power, and it looks like it used AA batteries, so it's not included. So make sure you guys go ahead, buy the batteries for this guitar. So pretty much, it includes 8 musical note buttons plus a demo mode with looks like 12 preset songs and flashing lights to like have a fabulous pretend show. So if you have a little performer in your household or you want them to get some practice, this is a toy that I would suggest buying. And it comes with a microphone. You know, it's really cute, and it's really not overly like cost so much. It does not cost that much at all, y'all. It's really a really good deal. So honestly, this is really good for toddlers. It comes with a microphone stand and a microphone that fits all children, so it can help them, no matter what height, to help them hold it and stuff like that too, and have a pretty much good time. And as you can see here, we have display here with the girl. She's holding a microphone. So like she's getting her whole sing along American Idol thing going on right over here. But yeah, so please you guys check out that, only $15, and also the link is in the description. And if you feel that this video is bringing you value, please like, comment, and subscribe. I truly appreciate it. And I want to go into the next thing here. So now we have the classic, okay? So even if you have some more preteens or any other, maybe even some millennials out there or other adults who teenage, whatever like that, who likes to have this classic game here of Connect 4. Who doesn't like Connect 4, man? Connect the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. I win, you're out, hey, win-win, okay? So this is going for only $9.97, you guys. You know what? I mean, you're saving a couple of dollars, but it's really not bad. And honestly, 1,000 people just bought this yesterday, okay? So this is a toy that you must have, okay? A game that you must have. Toy, game, whatever. But this game, it never goes out of style. I've been using this game and playing this game since I was young, and I still play it now even though I'm older. Okay, so pretty much it's a really, really easy game to set up, and honestly, just follow the instructions, and it's really kid friendly as well too. So even if you want to get the kids to come in, grandparents and stuff like that to play along with the kids, it's a really easy game for everyone to play. So this is really ideal. Okay, please jump on that. All right, so I want to move into the next thing here for our holiday Christmas toys. Now this is for the looks like the Zyie Art Play Kitchen Set for kids. So it's about 2.1 foot tall. All right, so this is perfect for girls or boys. This has like the little kitchen set going on, and I love the neutral color of this kitchen set. And look, you have the pots, you have like the little hot dogs and the the peppers and stuff like that, and they give you dishes, and they got the condiments, man. Come on, you got the tomato ketchup and stuff, and you got the mustard, and you got the little sizzling sounds, and you got your little spices, you got the cookies at the bottom. Yo, this is really cool. This is not bad, and it's only going for what? Under $50. It's only $26, y'all. $26.99. Not bad. You're not going to find another price for this anywhere. Okay, so like I said, it's really perfect for kids. Perfect for boys or girls, okay? So we also have the electronic stovetop with steam and sound and light, okay? So this is really, really simple. I don't think it's a really complicated type of thing for setup, but if you can find your time to actually buy this product, that would be awesome, okay? So really good price here. And so I want to go into the other thing here. This is a Nintendo Universal Classic Edition Nintendo set. Okay, so this is going for $169. So even though this is a little bit more pricier than the other toys, this is more of a classic toy from the I think the late 1990s or early 1990s. Actually, that's when Nintendo came out. Honestly, if you want to bring back a throwback game for even someone who's a millennial, you want to introduce it to maybe your kids, so you can have that nostalgic feeling of playing your old games. You know, the Super Mario Brothers, or even your Street Fighter. Come on, you guys, you know what games I'm talking about here. So this right here is really not bad, and honestly, it has about a 4-star review, so which is really not that bad here. So it's going for Walmart for only $169.98. Okay, so now the last thing I want to get into is the craft but yeah, go ahead, Makari. Go on. Okay, so I was going to get into the craft slime kit, but it looks like it just literally sold out. Like, they did have this fabulous slime kit here, but unfortunately it's out of stock, y'all. So what that means is that you guys are literally running out of time. Christmas is like less than 3 days here. Okay, Christmas is on Wednesday. Okay, for those who have not realized that, you don't have a lot of time. So just go ahead, get some of that stuff. Like I said, my name is Treasure Takara. And if you haven't already, please click the link in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm here to provide value for you. And if you want to support your girl, please buy me a coffee right here. Okay, also link is in the description too, or maybe in the comment section. All right, and if you want to know more things, or you want to know more of these Walmart finds that I'm finding here, whether it's furniture, kids' toys, or maybe some cologne sets and stuff like that, please check out my Walmart store. And I want you to have a really great Merry Christmas. My family is here and they're enjoying themselves while they're here. I got a chance to visit some friends. Hopefully you guys are going out of town. If not, I'm hoping that you guys are spending time with family, or if you are working, I pray that it's safe and that you have a decent time on the job, and that nothing is stressing you out. And God bless you guys, and thank you guys for supporting my channel, whether it's a like, whether you're buying something. I just appreciate you guys so much. All right, so this is Treasure Takara. That's enough talking right now, right? Okay.
It's creeping in your eyes, and I'm not surprised. Scared what I'm